Yung violation mo just in case, refusal to answer relevant queries during the hearing. And that is letter B of Section 11 of our rules on contempt.
Sorry po, Your Honor. Nagsasabi naman po akong totoo.
At-
Kung kakilala ko po,
Pero
tuturo
Tumang,
ko po.
tapusin mo muna ako para maintindihan mo kasi kanina nag-excuse ka. Sabi nga ni Chairman Akop, in the sense of the law, excuses no one. Kaya in-explain ko ngayon sa iyo, baka sabihin mo na naman, ay, hindi ko alam kung anong violation ko. Na, in-explain ko sa iyo, no? Contemptible offense, refusal to answer relevant queries from the members of this committee, and you will be penalized to be detained depende sa number of days or even months. Depende sa committee. At the same time, depende rin sa chairperson, sa chairman, kung saan ka ikukulong. Pwede ka sa city jail nyo. Pwede ka sa NBP. Pwede ka rin dito sa house. Intindihan mo, Mayor Tumang?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, maliwanag ka.
Sana po, patawad niyo ako. Hindi ko na po kasi alam yung rules at mga ibang batas po. Nagsasabi naman po akong totoo at nakikipag-cooperate naman po.
Mayor Tumang, that will not be an excuse because you've been here for the past several months during the hearing in my committee. This is not the first time that you were invited in a committee hearing. Kahapon lang, alam mo, may napakontent tayo. Tauhan mo rin. Nandito ngayon. So, I do not believe that you do not understand the rules of this committee in the House. I do not believe, just like your alibi, na hindi mo alam sino ang pangalan o tao na bumulong sa iyo. Kung akong tatanungin mo, diretso, hindi ako naniniwala. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Before I ask Congressman Acop to ask questions, gusto ko lang ipaliwanag no, na sa rules po ng House ay meron po kaming karapatan no, na i-cite ang aming mga resource persons in contempt kapag amin pong naramdaman o nakita na hindi po nagko-cooperate, hindi po sumasagot ng mga katotohanan, pawang katotohanan lamang, at hindi po nagre-respeto sa komite. Hindi ito this is the rule, and we intend to stick with this rule, and we intend to implement the accompanying penalties kapag itong rule na ito ay na-violate dito sa House. Yun lang ho ang aming gustong i-emphasize sa ating mga resource persons. And this committee, for the record, has not cited any... Oh, no, there was one. There was one in one of our hearings which we cited in contempt and detained for 15 days in this House. Pero isa lang yon. Isa pa lang. So, I just wanted to share that information to our resource persons, Your Honors. So, Congressman Acop, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor Tumang, alam mo naman siguro na kung malalaman namin kung sino po yung nagsabi sa inyo tungkol sa nangyari doon sa executive session, yung nagsabi po rin po sa inyo ay liable. Alam nyo rin po yun. Na siya rin po ay may dapat haharapin sa amin. Kasi bawal po na mag-reveal kung ano man nangyari doon sa executive session. Alam nyo po yun.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ha? Alam nyo?
Ngayon lang po, Your Honor.
Pangalawa, tama ba yung narinig ko na yung taong nagsabi sa iyo ay doon kayo sa parte ng expressway nagkita after the hearing dito?
Ay, in-approach lang po kami doon sa coffee shop po, Your Honor.
Oo nga, pero intindihin po ninyo yung aking katanungan. Kung tama po ba yung sinabi ninyo kanina dun sa pagtatanong ni Chairman Caraps na nakita nyo at nakaharap itong taong ito doon sa parte ng expressway pagkatapos ng hearing dito nang pauwi kayo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alam mo ang pinagtataka ko, Mayor Tumang? Yung mga sagot ko ninyo hindi ko matatanggap kagad. Kasi, ibig sabihin, sabay kayong umalis dito pagkatapos ng hearing, kaya kayo nagkita doon sa lugar na yun. Kasi ang sabi nyo, after the hearing kayo nagkita, pauwi kayo.
Coincidence lang po, Your Honor.
What a coincidence,
Ah,
Mayor
na-
Tumang.
Nagko-copy po kami doon, nakita ako, and then in-approach lang po ako doon.
So, ibig sabihin, ang impormasyon na makukuha ron, papunta rin siya norte, kagaya po ninyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, kasi immediately after the hearing, sabi po ninyo So, papunta rin siyang norte. I do not know. Titingnan ko po kung sino yung mga present noong executive session, kung sino po ang uwian ay papunta dun sa lugar po ninyo. Di po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Hindi kaya si Deputy Speaker ang kwan? Kasi papunta kayo parehas dun
Pauwi.
Pauwi dun Di po ba?
Hindi naman po siguro. Yun.
Ha?
Hindi po alam, Your Honor.
Binanggit nyo yung pangalan
Ay,
Di po ba?
hindi naman po siguro, Your Honor.
Sige po. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Nakop. Mayor Tumang, yung ating hearing dito ay October 9. Natatandaan niyo po ba yun? Yung petsang yun? October 9?
October 9. Opo.
Pero yung press con ay October 11.
Yes
So
po,
hindi,
right.
walang katotohanan yung sinasabi nyo na pagkagaling dito, magkakape kayo, doon kayo sa coffee shop.
Pagkatapos po ng hearing dito, nung pauwi po kami, nag-rest po kami doon sa coffee shop.
So,
sa
hindi-
may Petron.
So hindi po October 11 yung inyong press con.
Hindi ko po ma-recall po yung date, Your Honor.
Kasi base ho sa inyong pinost sa Facebook at dun sa GNN at saka TV44 sa Pampanga, October 11 yung inyong press con.
Hindi ko po
That was 2 days after our committee hearing. At sabi nyo, sa isang coffee shop sa Bulacan o sa Lakeshore?
Hindi po, part of, parang Bukawi po yon, Your Honor.
Hindi nyo matandaan kung ano
Hindi
yung
ko
coffee
alam
shop.
po sumasakop doon sa may Petron.
Pero alam nyo po yung coffee shop, pangalan ng coffee shop.
Starbucks po, Your Honor.
So, kung halimbawa, doon ho, lumapit sa inyo yung tao.
O, nasa labas po kami ng coffee shop. Tapos
Halimbawa,
in-approach ko.
humingi ho tayo ng kopya ng CCTV nung coffee shop na yun.
Opo, nandun po kami, Your
Makikita
Honor.
natin yun.
Opo.
Sige po. Sige. So, any other questions from the members? It was clear that
Mr. Chairman, wala na akong maitatanong kasi I cannot extract information to a person that is lying. That is my conclusion, Mr. Chairman.
and
Ang reasoning niya napakalabo. He's telling us that he does never know the personality of the person that give him the information. Hindi ako maniwala doon, Mr. Chairman.
so if that's the case, what is the pleasure of the committee?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Ako?
to be consistent and fair with the others who we have also cited for contempt for similar violations of our rules, may I move that we cite former Mayor Tumang for contempt, Mr. Chair. So move.
There is a motion to cite Mayor Tumang for contempt. by violating Section 7 of our rules on inquiries governing rules governing inquiries in aid of legislation, and duly seconded.
Second, Mr. Chair.
The committee cites former Mayor Tumang in contempt, and for the meantime will be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives. Okay.
Mr. Chairman, just to, I cannot vote, I cannot move, I cannot second because I'm not a duly regular member of this committee. But, Mr. Chairman, just for clarification, we have, the committee has already moved and approved the contempt order from Mayor Tumang, but question of detention, there should be a different motion and the committee should rule for how many days? Because we cannot detain a person cited in contempt for indefinite period of time, Mr. Chairman. At the same time, the place to be detained.
Thank you,
Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Caraps, for that reminder. I do understand that we have to resolve several issues with respect to the contempt charges we forwarded before this committee. But I would suggest that the members discuss this among us as to other details of the penalties that will be imposed on Mayor Tumang. Kung saan siya i-detain at kung ilang araw siya i-detain. But that's the reason why I said earlier when I ruled that he will be detained in the House of Representatives. Perhaps in the office beside Congressman Caraps Paduano. So, before we... So, but yeah, you know, the House has provided a very comfortable detention center for all those that will be cited for contempt. So, if there are no other issues and matters that the members would like to discuss, then the favorite motion.
Clarification, Mr. Chair. With the statement of the Honorable Paduano, I think it would take us months to decide how many days the former mayor of Mexico, Pampanga, will be detained. Kung isang buwan po tayong magdi-discuss, isang buwan din po siyang madi-detain. Since the chair has already decided that former Mayor Tumang will be detained here at the premises of Batasan, then I think just like the sentence of the Honorable Caraps Paduano on demand of Mayor Tumang, Mr. Roy Gomez may move that we detain him for 30 days, subject to the filing of a motion for reconsideration.